Bareto, Ward number 3, Village Panchayat, Shishini, Yusufa.
किती डेव्हलपमेंट उरला आणि किती
Development, the dream of the village is the Panchayat Ghar, is a complex which is already planned has been approved. That is our priority. This 5 years it has to be done because people are waiting for the project. Because of pandemic and all other finances, the project is just stuck. It is costing about 23.6 crores. So that will be our first demand. Project, beautiful Panchayat Ghar and a multi-purpose complex for the village. That's our priority.
MLAचं बी सपोर्ट असेल तुका
See, we are supported by the people. People's choice. MLA, MP, मिनिस्टर ते सगळे मागीर येता. पहिले सद्या आमी लोकां गेले कॅन्डिडेट आनी लोकां लागून आमी निवडून आयले. वी वर नॉट एनी बॅनर. आमचे कोणा बॅनराचेर नाही. वी वेंट एज पीपल्स कॅन्डिडेट.